What's up, guys? How are you? Today, we are listing the top 5 best sliding compound miter saws in 2025. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which miter saws is the best for people like you. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Skil 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The Skil 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a reliable and high-performance cutting tool designed for both professionals and serious DIY users. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, it delivers 4,800 RPM, ensuring fast, clean, and consistent cuts through a wide range of materials. This motor provides extended power and durability, making it suitable for demanding job site or workshop conditions. This saw features a dual bevel system that allows for bevel cuts in 4 positive stop positions: 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees right. This capability eliminates the need to flip the workpiece when making compound cuts, increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of mistakes. The miter range extends to 50 degrees both left and right, and the stainless steel miter plate includes 11 positive stops at the most commonly used angles for added convenience and repeatability. Cutting precision is further enhanced by the integrated LED shadow line. Unlike traditional laser guides, the LED casts a shadow of the blade directly onto the workpiece, offering more accurate cut alignment even in bright lighting conditions. This feature ensures that users can make precise cuts every time, regardless of visibility conditions. With its large cutting capacity, the saw can crosscut lumber up to 2 by 12 inches at 90 degrees and 2 by 8 inches at 45 degrees. The tall sliding fences support up to 4.5 base molding vertically and 6.25 crown molding when nested, making it ideal for finish carpentry and molding installation. The saw is built with user comfort and practicality in mind. A horizontal handle with a center-located safety trigger allows for easy operation by both left and right-handed users. The cam miter lock knob offers secure locking and quick angle adjustments, and the included quick work clamp holds materials firmly in place for safer, more stable cutting. Lightweight and portable, the saw includes a built-in carrying handle, making transport and storage simple. This thoughtful combination of power, precision, and portability makes the Skil MS6305-00 a versatile and dependable choice for a wide range of woodworking and carpentry tasks. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw, model C10FCGS, brings together raw power, precision, and portability, making it a go-to tool for both professionals and serious DIYers. Engineered in Japan and backed by a 5-year warranty, this saw delivers consistent, accurate results across a wide range of woodworking applications. At its core is a robust 15-amp motor that spins the 10-inch blade at up to 5,000 RPM without load. This high-speed performance ensures clean, smooth cuts through even the most stubborn materials, whether you're trimming baseboards, framing lumber, or crafting furniture pieces. The design is straightforward, yet highly functional. Thumb-actuated positive stops allow for fast and precise miter adjustments, reducing downtime between cuts. The large 10-inch table offers excellent material support, while a built-in vise clamping system holds your workpiece securely in place, an essential feature for maintaining both safety and accuracy. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, the C10FCGS is surprisingly lightweight for a saw in this class. Its compact form factor makes it easy to transport from one job site to another and store in tight spaces, all without compromising power or cutting capacity. In terms of versatility, the saw boasts a 0 to 52 degrees miter angle range in both directions, along with a 0 to 45 degrees bevel range to the left. These capabilities, paired with adjustable bevel stops, make it easy to execute a wide array of compound cuts with repeatable precision. Reliable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed, the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw offers serious cutting performance in a lightweight package. Whether you're a contractor looking for dependable job site tools or a hobbyist aiming for professional results at home, this saw is a smart addition to your toolkit. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. Makita LS1219L 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The Makita LS1219L 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser combines power, precision, and efficient operation in a compact design. It features a unique two-steel rail sliding system that enables single slide-glide operation, significantly reducing the saw's footprint and allowing it to be placed flush against a wall. This innovation makes it suitable for tight workshop spaces without compromising cutting capacity. The saw delivers exceptional cutting performance, handling up to 8-inch crown molding, vertically nested, 6, 3/4 baseboard, vertical, and 15 crosscuts at 90 degrees. These capabilities make it ideal for a wide range of carpentry applications, from framing to finish work. For enhanced user convenience, the in-front bevel lock allows quick and easy adjustments without the need to reach behind the tool. The bevel range spans from 0 degrees to 48 degrees in both left and right directions, and the saw miters from 0 degrees to 60 degrees both left and right, with positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. These preset detents help speed up repetitive angle cuts and improve accuracy. A direct drive 15-amp motor powers the saw, offering smoother startups and consistent cutting performance with no belts to slip or replace. This motor is paired with an electronic speed control system to maintain constant speed under load, enhancing cut quality. An electric brake further adds to the tool's safety and efficiency by quickly stopping the blade after trigger release. Visibility and accuracy are boosted by a built-in laser that clearly marks the cut line even when the blade is not spinning. The laser can be micro-adjusted for left-of-blade or right-of-blade alignment, depending on user preference. A see-through blade guard improves sightlines for better control during cutting. To maintain a cleaner workspace, the saw includes dual dust collection ports that deliver efficient extraction when used with the included dust bag or a vacuum system, sold separately. The large aluminum base increases the tool's stability and helps support longer materials during operation. The Makita LS1219L comes equipped with a premium 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, delivering smooth, precise cuts right out of the box. Every element of the saw is engineered with professional-grade performance in mind, offering a balance of durability, precision, and user-friendly features in a compact footprint. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Bosch Dual Bevel Sliding Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM12SD 15-amp 12-inch corded dual bevel sliding glide miter saw is a professional-grade power tool designed to deliver high-precision cuts with enhanced control, reliability, and space efficiency. Engineered with Bosch's patented axial glide system, this saw offers a smooth, compact, and consistent cutting experience, setting it apart from traditional rail systems. At the core of its design is the unique axial glide system, which not only enhances the saw's precision and smoothness, but also drastically reduces its footprint by up to 12 inches. This makes it an excellent choice for tight workshop spaces or job sites where every inch of space matters. The axial mechanism allows for wider crosscuts while maintaining flawless alignment over time, eliminating the need for frequent recalibrations. With an expanded cutting capacity, the GCM12SD handles a variety of materials with ease. It offers a nominal 14-inch horizontal cut capacity and 6.5-inch vertical capacity against the base or the fence. It also supports a 6.5-inch crown molding capacity when nested at a 45-degree spring angle, making it ideal for carpenters, cabinet makers, and trim installers who need versatility in crown and baseboard work. The saw is equipped with adjustable bevel and miter scales, featuring large, clearly marked stainless steel detents for quick and accurate angle settings. Bevel detents are positioned at 0 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees both left and right, providing accurate reference points for common cuts. The uniform bevel scale is easy to read and allows for precise roof pitch cuts and other complex angles with confidence. To maximize cutting accuracy and consistency, the saw includes Bosch's square lock quick-release fences. These fences come pre-aligned at 90 degrees to the table and require no manual adjustment. A one-touch lock/unlock mechanism allows users to slide the fences as needed, adding stability for longer or taller workpieces. Ease of use is further enhanced with upfront bevel controls. The bevel lock lever and range selector are positioned at the front of the saw, allowing users to make quick adjustments without reaching behind the tool, a major convenience and safety improvement. This user-friendly layout is paired with all-metal construction, ensuring durability and long-term performance even in demanding work environments. Dust control is another strong point of the GCM12SD. Bosch has integrated one of the best-in-class dust collection systems, capturing up to 90% of dust when connected to a vacuum. This feature significantly improves air quality, reduces cleanup time, and protects the user's health during extended cutting sessions. The saw comes ready to use out of the box, including a 12-inch, 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, a toolless vertical work clamp, a wrench, a dust bag, and a vacuum adapter elbow. Its overall dimensions, 32.38 inches long, 26.5 inches wide, and 27 inches high, with the head up at the 0-aught position, highlight its compact profile, especially given its large cutting capacity. In summary, the Bosch GCM12SD is a top-tier miter saw built for professionals who demand precision, durability, and space efficiency. From its innovative axial glide mechanism and large cutting capacity to its precision controls and user-friendly design, it represents a highly capable and intelligently engineered solution for advanced cutting tasks. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 1. DeWalt Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw is engineered for high-performance cutting across a range of professional applications. It features a powerful 15-amp, 1,100-watt motor that delivers 3,800 RPM, providing the strength and consistency needed for heavy-duty tasks such as framing, trim work, and cabinetry. The motor ensures smooth and accurate cuts, even through dense hardwoods. A key feature of the DWS 780 is its integrated XPS cut-line blade positioning system. This LED-based system projects a shadow of the blade onto the work surface, giving users a precise and consistent visual guide of the cut path. Unlike traditional laser guides, this system requires no recalibration, maintaining accuracy through blade changes and extended use. The saw offers exceptional cutting capacities. It supports crown molding up to 7.5 inches nested, base molding up to 6.75 inches vertically against the fence, and makes crosscuts up to 13 7/8 inches wide. With the exclusive back fence design, it can cut up to a 2x16 at 90 degrees and 2x12 at 45 degrees, making it suitable for both finish work and structural carpentry. Its dual bevel capability allows bevel adjustments from 0 to 49 degrees both left and right, with positive stops at 0, 22.5, 33.9, 45, and 49 degrees. This enhances versatility when working on complex angles. The oversized bevel scale ensures clear visibility and accurate adjustments during operation. For miter cuts, the saw pivots 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left. The stainless steel miter detent plate features 10 positive stops that enhance cutting precision and job site productivity. A cam lock miter button allows users to quickly lock angles between detents for customized cuts. The sliding fences are designed to support large vertical cuts and can be moved out of the way for bevel operations. A rail lock latch helps hold the saw head in place when needed, simplifying vertical cutting and transport. The dust collection system captures over 75% of dust generated during cutting, helping to maintain a cleaner work area. To increase job site convenience, the saw's power cord is routed through the back rail, preventing interference with the sliding mechanism. Despite its advanced features and large cutting capacities, the saw maintains a relatively compact footprint with dimensions of 35 cm x 45 cm x 25 cm, making it manageable in both shop and field environments. With a durable construction and combination of precision features, The DeWalt DWS 780 provides the performance and reliability required by professional contractors, trim carpenters, framers, and installers. It's a dependable tool designed to deliver consistent results in demanding work conditions. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.